o principio número 1 dos dereitos da infancia. O dereito a ter dereitos sen ser discriminado. E vai no ler o Colexio San Pelayo Ema de Santiago de Compostela a tope! Vamos alá, dalle aí.
Os nenos e as nenas gozarán de todos os dereitos enunciados nesta declaración. Estes dereitos recoñeceránselles a todos os nenos sen excepción algunha nin distinción ou discriminación por motivos de raza, color, sexo, idioma, religión, opinións, orixe, posición económica, nacemento ou outra condición do propio neno ou da súa familia.
I used to feel I should give away my heart, and it shows that we are needing it there. Then I read the headlines, and it said they're dying there, and it showed that we must heeding is there. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. There's a chance we're taking. We're taking our lives. It's true, we'll make a brighter day. Just you and me. Ooh. Give out your heart, and you will see that someone cares, 'cause you know that they can't feed them all. Then I read the paper, and it said that deep in